This is a 69 Charger RT SE even. Has the weird big bumper guards. You know, this hurts my heart because it's a 71 Challenger. Not an RT, but it's a 71 Challenger with the houndstooth interior, vinyl top. You can see that the bucket seats still have, actually the interior still has the crazy interior on it. And then right there is a Duster Twister and a satellite Sebring. I think it's just a Sebring, not a Plus. 72. And here's another Duster Dart Sport. This is a 72-ish Barracuda. Cuda. It's got a Cuda hood on it at least. In corporate blue or petty blue. And here's another 72 or 3 or 4 Barracuda. Satellite Sebring Plus. Another like 72, 3 or 4 Barracuda. Earlier Barracuda, I think this was a Formula S car. Torino 500 randomly. Another Duster. Grand Prix. Random Oldsmobiles. Oh, here's a Charger coming up. Oldsmobiles. I'm sorry, Pontiacs. Oh, that's an S23 Laguna. You don't see very many of those. Another Chevelle. Nope, I'm wrong. Le Mans. Then here's another 68 Dodge Charger. Huh. I think this was an RT. I don't feel like going through those reads to find out. Next to the Corvair, Le Mans. And then we gotta go walk up that way. All right, right here is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. And then across from it is 2 Javelins. And then Cutlass. Another Cutlass. Another Javelin. And I think this is a 69 Super Bee. It's got the wrong hood on it. Oh, that's odd. No, it's a 69 Coronet 500 or 440. Someone just put a tail stripe on it. Big old Imperial. Yep, no, it's got a 70 stripe on it. But it's definitely not a Super Bee or anything. Another Javelin. Don't even know what that is. Oh, here's, it must be the AMC row because there's a few more Javelins. El Camino. 300 convertible. I think this is a 69 Charger RT SE even. Has the weird big bumper guards. Oh, the dash is gone. Is the fender tag still there? Nope. But I'll show you how I know it's at least a Charger RT. Because you can see, why do people leave the doors open? Better than nothing. Okay. But you can see right there where the RT emblem used to be. So it was a striped elite car. It's pretty nice. Chevelle. Another satellite, like a 69. I'll know here in a second. Yep, 69 satellite. Here's a 69 or 70 Charger with a 68 or 9 Super B hood on it, or Cornet RT. Let's see what we got here. XB29H9 is 69. Is this the SE? Maybe this is the SE. I'm not 100% sure. Nope, not the SE. Sorry, I don't know these numbers offhand. I'm all by myself trying to run through here before they kick me out at 4 o'clock. And it's hot. And I'm fat, tired. You know, all the good stuff. Here's a 70-ish Barracuda or Cuda. It's got a Cuda hood on at least. Bucket seat interior. 69 Roadrunner. Let's see here. RH23H 33 car, okay. 9, so it is 69. Then across from that is another it's a postcard. Looks like it's a 68 Satellite though, not a Roadrunner. It's got a big block though, and it's green, which should be correct for 68. Let's see what the trunk says. Oh, it is a Roadrunner. You can see it has the remnants of a sticker in the tail panel. Mercury. Pontiacs and Oldsmobiles. And a Chevelle. Satellite. More cars going down the hill. Like that 70 Malibu. Oh boy. You can see that this, whatever it is, GM convertible has been here so long, that tree is growing right through the interior.
This video will be the last of the Mopars from Elmer's Auto Salvage in 2025. I didn't get through a quarter of the yard. There was still an entire another side of the yard that I just could not get to in time. I was there from 9 a.m. to I think 4 or 5 in the afternoon when we all went to dinner and they were closing up. So this isn't the end of the series. There's still a few more Chevys to go and the heavy Chevy videos, as well as a special one on an El Camino that's a funeral home car. Those are all still coming up. But I had shown pictures of other Mopars that won't be in this series because I just didn't have time to get over there. In the future, I do plan on, making a few days and just taking my time walking through the yard, documenting it more fully. I really wanted to focus more on each car than a walkthrough, but this first video series didn't allow the time to do that. But in the future, I will endeavor to expand my time frame to allow me to more fully show everyone the history of these cars. And it's really cool because they just announced a few weeks ago the date of the 2025 Junkyard walks. So you can see here in the flyer the days and the times, and you never know, you might just see me there.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video from Elmer's Auto Graveyard in Fountain City, Wisconsin. I just got done at the Chicagoland Mopar Connection Mopar Swap Meet in Lockport, Illinois. And we're driving through Joliet, and I saw this really cool banner, or this mural, of the Blues Brothers at Collins Auto Parts. And so I thought it'd be a really cool thing to do a video in front of. But you know me and Monaco's. Actually, it's funny that just a few weeks ago I did a video on a 74 Monaco cop car that would have been the twin to that. So yeah, that was the last major show for I think about a month. Then we got there's like the Chicago World of Wheels, the Detroit Autorama, I'm not going to probably either of those. There's the Milwaukee World of Wheels, which I might do because I have friends who I need to do stuff with. But yeah. Oh, and then the Indy Mopar swap is coming up. And then in probably mid-March, I'll be in Detroit for like a week or two doing some work. So if you guys have anything, let me know. And then just show you some of this stuff. Hold on. Oh, come on, work. There we go. You don't like it? What is it? No, I don't like it. Oh, that's funny. But yeah, then there's the Nun. But yeah, so I thought this would be a good way to end the video rather than my usual boring one in the garage. So yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. Nothing new on the green card. Got some parts at the Detroit Auto Mopar swap meet 2 weeks ago. So yeah, been good. I hope everyone else is doing well, staying warm, because it's a little chilly out. But I'll talk to you all soon. You guys stay safe.